Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 13 Geometry Introduction Part 3. We are going to learn following topics, that is perpendicular lines, set squares, circle, radius, chord, diameter.
Our first topic is perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and make a right angle, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. See, when two lines are intersect and make a right angle, means they intersect at a same point and make a right angle, they are said to be a perpendicular to each other. See, it is a right angle and they intersect in a same point at point B, and two rays BA and BC meeting at B. So two rays are there, BA and BC meeting at where? B point, making an angle of 90 degree, making right angle. We write AB perpendicular to BC. This is a symbol of perpendicular. AB perpendicular to BC. Set squares. Now what is set squares? These are set squares. Set squares are two triangular items that we seen in a geometry box. Okay, in geometry box, usually we see these set squares. These are in a triangular shapes. The angle of one of the set square are 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. One of the set square is, this one is 90 degree, and in this corner we will measure it become 30 degree, and from this corner it will be 60 degree. The angle of another set square are 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. So this set square is of 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. Now next is circle. In the daily life, we come across objects that are circular in shape, such as bangles, coins, wheel, tire, etc. Okay, so daily we are seeing this circular shape such as bangles. Okay, bangles in the shape of a circle, coin in the shape of a circle, wheel shape of a circle, and tires in the shape of a circle. So this is the shape of a circle. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. In circle, O is one point. O is the center of the circle. Distance of O from every point on the boundary of the circle is same at, that is OA equal to OB equal to OC. So distance of O from every point. So see, O is the center of the circle and the boundary A, C, B, 3 points are there, that all are in the same distance. So we can write OA equal to OB equal to OC. Now next one is circle. Definition of circle. A circle is a closed figure, each of whose point is equidistant from a fixed point inside it. Circle is a closed figure, means it is fully closed figure. Each of whose point is equidistant from a fixed point inside it. Fixed point inside means center of a circle, and whatever points lying on the circle all are equidistant, means in equal distance from the center of the circle. So this is known as a circle. Now next one, radius. Now what is radius? It is a line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. It is a line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. Means here A and O. O is the center of the circle and A is the point on the circle. So it is a line segment joining the center to any point on the circle. So here AO is a radius. AO or OA. We can both can write OA is a radius and OB is a another radius. Now next, chord. What is chord? A line segment having both its endpoint on a circle is called a chord. Means see, both the endpoints on the circle is called a chord. Here PQ is a chord. So P and Q both endpoints are on the circle. So this is known as a chord. PQ is a chord. Now next, diameter. It is a chord that passes through the center of a circle. Okay, diameter is a chord. It is passes through a center of the circle and both the endpoints are on the circle. So diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Radius means half of the diameter and diameter equal to 2 multiplied by radius. Here AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Now next, to draw circle we use a compass usually found in a geometry box. Now what is compass? See, this is also known as we call as a rounder. With help of this we can draw a circle. A compass has two legs. How many legs? Two legs. One leg has the steel end while to the other leg a pencil is fixed by means of a screw. So one hand has a steel leg. Okay, and other leg a pencil is fixed by a screw. You can able to see a screw is there. With help of screw we can fix inside a pencil in such a way that the pencil end and the steel end are at the same level and both the end should be same level, so only we can draw a circle properly. Okay, thank you.